I'm going to quickly show you a clip right now, which I took like 2 years ago when I was dead broke.
I'm damn sure that this is for the future reference. In this year, I'm going to be in Bali and I'm going to enjoy my life for the fullest. And
so this was me 2 years ago when I was dead broke. I lost all of my clients and I still was delusional enough to know that I'm gonna make it happen and I'm gonna be in Bali and enjoy my life. Fast forward to now, I'm making $15,000 every single month with monthly recurring revenue. And right now, I am in Bali enjoying my life. As I said, I was being a bit delusional, but I made it happen anyway. And when I said this, that I'm gonna quit my job and said no to a high-paying corporate job, and I'm gonna start my own business and move to Bali, no one believed in me, including my parents. Everyone was laughing at me. Who's laughing now? I'm making $15,000, I'm chilling in Bali, and I'm making monthly recurring revenue where I don't have to work every single time. I just take care of my client mailing and some of my coaching clients here and there, maybe like 2 to 3 hours a day. That's all I need to do. But to be fair, I had lots of doubts and lots of fear in my mind when I was like saying no to a proper like income and saying no to a high paying corporate job and planning to move out to a country where I don't even know if I'm going to make it happen. And I did this all by myself without anyone's help. Yes, it was hard and yes, it was stressful, but I made it happen. I have achieved my dream of having a financial freedom, time freedom, and location freedom. Now it's time for you. And it's end of 2025. And I want you guys to start 2026 on a good note. And I'm pretty sure by end of this year, most of you guys wouldn't have achieved your dreams. Not because you don't want it, just because you don't know how to achieve those goals. You don't have any proper plans, and I don't want you guys to waste another year like just letting go by without achieving your dreams of living the life you always wanted to live. That's why I've launched my new school community just for my Go Level affiliates, totally for free. Yes, I'm going to be giving you free coaching sessions. I'm going to give you all of my snapshots and templates totally for free. On top of it, I'm going to give access to all of my outreach script and closing script to get more clients in a matter of days or weeks. If you want to achieve your goals as quick as possible, watch this video until the end, because in this video, I'm going to explain you how you can get access to all of these things totally for free. Welcome to our Wolfpack community, and this is the best community if you want to start and scale your web design or AI agency and ultimately achieve financial freedom, time freedom, and location freedom. And this is the proof. As you can see, I've been cleaning toilets, working multiple different jobs. At the same time, I was in uni, and my bank account mostly is in negative, like -7 pounds. And I went broke multiple different times, which I have personally documented in my YouTube channel. And fast forward to now, I'm chilling in Bali, working only 3 to 4 hours a day, sitting in the sun in my private Bali villa, making $15,000 every single month in a monthly recurring revenue. That means even if I don't get any clients this month, I'll be still making $15,000 every single month. And it's not just working for me. As you can see, Andre has been with us and he has won a lot. Santosh, Josh, Alex, Lucas, and much more. And you want to ask this question, how myself and these guys did it? And the answer for your question is, offer local businesses a free website, upsell them to a 5-page website with a $1,000 price, deliver it in 5 minutes with templates. Yes, you heard it right. It's just going to take 5 to 10 minutes, deliver the service, collect the 1,000 plus 97 to 497 a month hosting fees on each and every client. And this is exactly how you can do the same thing which I'm doing and my community members are doing, which I will let you use my own plug and play snapshots, all the outreach scripts and closing scripts, and my own portfolio to get more clients if you don't have any portfolio or testimonials from pre-existing client. And you will have step-by-step tutorials. I will be teaching everything from picking in the niche and delivering the service will be inside our community. And on top of it, you get to access my sales script recording, which will be really helpful for you to handle objection and to close more clients. And you will be getting access to my in-depth client acquisition strategy, where I have gone in-depth on all kinds of strategy to get more clients in just a matter of days or weeks. Another best part of joining our community is the weekly coaching calls. At the moment, we have 2 coaching calls, 1 hour per each session. And I'm thinking about increasing it to 3 coaching calls a week, where you can get to ask all the questions, all the doubts, and I will clear everything out. And I will also teach you how to do every single thing properly, because all the things you have seen in my YouTube channel, I've given 80% of the information, but the rest of the 20% makes the huge difference, which you can get to access inside the coaching calls. Another 2 best part of our community, obviously you have a like-minded community with people doing the same thing as you are doing. And we have our accountability system where people can push each other to get similar results just like these. And all you have to do is click this button called Start Your Go High Level Free Trial. Just click on it, and you will land in this 14-day free trial page. And by clicking this yellow button with the 14-day free trial, you will get access to Go High Level. And on top of it, you'll get access to my personal help to get more clients in just a matter of days or weeks. All the bonuses I've just shown you, which you'll be getting access totally for free, online gurus will literally charge you 5,000 to 10,000. And you'll be getting everything for free to get similar results just like this. So what are you waiting for? If you want to get similar results just like these, all you have to do is use my affiliate link, join to Go High Level, and let me help you to get your first or next client in just a matter of days or weeks. And I will see you guys inside the free coaching session.